how are you? I hope you are fine and you are doing good at your home and you are helping your parents and you are spending the time with your siblings and parents. And I hope you are eating a very healthy food as well as you are taking the precautions. Okay, children? Yes, we have completed lesson number 1, children, and you have written the question and answers also. I hope you have written, and I'm just saying how to write the lesson number, because in the previous chapter I didn't say you how to write in the class books or in the notebooks. Okay, children? Yes, how you have to write. Okay, children, this is lesson number. First, you have to take this notebook. Okay, so here this is the ruled one, and here it will be plain, right? In the science, and then what you have to do. Okay, children, here new words. First you have to write lesson number 2. You can keep here date. Why I am not keeping, children? Because you know when you are learning, right? Yes. Okay. So whenever you are learning, you just write here date. Okay. Then you have to write here lesson number 2. Animals and plants. Animals and plants. Next, leave one line and write here Roman number 1. Okay. Next, you have to write here new words or keywords. Anything you can write the keywords as just mentioned on the board. Okay. Next one, take this paper. You have scale, you have pencil, and just you keep the line, divide into 2 and keep the line. Okay. Otherwise, you just fold the page like this so that you can see the first page here. This red color line is there that you have to keep, and then here in this type of fold the paper like this, and you can divide the paper and you can write the first word here. After that, leave one line and write. Okay, children, whenever it is the first column completing, then you have to write here in the same line you have to write. Okay, keep the number and you have to write. Okay, children, as I have written on the board. Okay, children, yes, let us see all the new words. Okay, children, yes, first one is animals. First one is what, children? Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Okay, children? A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. What is the spelling for children? Animals? A-N-I-M-A-L-S. So, third class children, maybe you know about this animals and plants, right? Even though you have no, please write it. Okay? Next one, plants. So I think you have know about the plants. Okay? Animals are green in color. No. Plants are green in color. Yes. Next one is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Okay, children? Okay, plants. Next one is write rotting matter. What do you have to write, children? Rotting matter. What do you mean by rotting matter, children? Like mushrooms and moles, they can get their food by the help of rotting matter. Means dead, decaying plants and animals. You find the animals are dead outside and it is decomposing into the soil. That is called as decaying matter. Okay, children, even the yellow leaves, brown color leaves, ultimately it is decomposing into the soil. That is called as dead and decaying matter. Okay, children? Or rotting matter. Okay. R-O-T-T-I-N-G. Rotting matter. M-A-T-T-E-R. Matter. Okay, children? R-O. Please repeat after me, children. As you know, plants and animals, they are easy ones. Okay, and you have to repeat, right? Next one is rotting matter. Okay. R-O-T-T-I-N-G. Rotting. M-A-T-T-E-R. Matter. R-O-T-T-I-N-G. Rotting. M-A-T-T-E-R. Rotting matter. Could you please repeat? Yes. Okay, children. Next one is mushrooms. Whenever you are writing this, are you writing by leaving one line, children? Yes. Whenever you are writing, you have to leave the line and write. Okay, children. What is the spelling for mushrooms? Let us learn. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Mushrooms. mouse. Next one is mouse. And moles you can say, mouse you can say, no problem in that. Okay. M-O-U-L-D-S. What do you have to say? M-O-U-L-D-S. Mouse. Please repeat after me. M-O-U-L-D-S. L-D-S. Mouse. Okay. Next one is breathe. What is the spelling for breathe, children? B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Please concentrate on the E here because so many of you won't write the E. Okay? You forgot, I don't know what is the spelling of breath. No. E should be there. Breathe means E should be compulsory. It has to be fixed. Okay? B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Okay? Next one is gills. Next one is how they breathe through gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. What is the spelling for gills, children? G-I-L-L-S. Gills. Okay? This is the breathing organ for fish. Okay? Only fish. Okay? Next one is lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Lungs. What is the spelling for lungs, children? What we can breathe through? Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Okay, children? Next one is air holes. Next one is air holes. Air, H-O-L-E-S. Air hole. What is the spelling of air holes, children? A-I-R, air. A-I-R-A. Holes. Hole is there, na? That one holes. Okay. H-O-L-E-S. Holes. H-O-L-E-S. Holes. Okay, children? Next one is cockroaches. Cockroaches. So I will be writing here. Okay, please write children along with me. Cockroaches. You have to learn very by heart. You have to learn this and you learn it properly. Okay. Cockroaches spelling, so many children what they will do, either they missed out the K, either they missed out E in this and they missed out something. Okay. So cockroaches means most of them they are writing R-O-C-H-C-H-E-S. Even we can say roaches. Yes. So sometimes they miss this A and E. So please keep in your mind and learn it. Okay. Just you repeat after me, you will get to learn. Okay, children? Okay. C-O-C-K R-O-A-C-H-E-S. Again. C-O-C-K R-O-A-C-H-E-S. C-H-E-S. Cockroaches. Okay, children? So, the air holes are present in cockroaches. For what? For breathing. Yes. Next one. Next one is balance. Next one is balance. Next one is balance. Okay, what is the spelling for children? Balance. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. Balance. Just here you see. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. So most of you write this A, you skip down. Okay. Glance. Glance will write. No. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. Balance. Okay. Next one is reproduce. What is the spelling for reproduce, children? R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. Reproduce. Okay. Reproduce. Okay. Produce. Reproduce. Okay. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. Okay. Who is reproducing? All the living things. Did you see the small child has reproducing some small chair? No, na? Some small pen cancel is reproducing small. No. Only reproduction done by the animals which can lay eggs and which can give birth to young ones. Yeah, that is the process is called as reproduction. Okay, children. Next one is hatch. Next one is hatch. H-A-T-C-H. Hatch. Okay, what do you mean by hatch, children? Hatching means when the bird is giving warmth to their eggs. Now that from chick is coming out from egg, yes, and egg, yes, it is called as hatching. Okay, so what is the spelling for hatch, children? H-A-T-C-H. Again, H-A-T-C-H. Again, H-A-T-C-H. Okay, next one is pores. Next one is pores. Okay, P-O-R-E-S. See, these are all words I have taken from your textbook from the lesson number 2. Okay, children. So you have to learn whether it can be any of the para, whether it can be any of the things. Please do learn. Okay, children. What is spelling for pores? P-O-R-E-S. Pores. P-O-R-E-S. Okay. Last one is disturb. Last one is disturb. Disturb. Okay, what is the spelling, children? D-I-S, this, T-U-R, B-E-D. Bed, no, sorry, disturb, bed, no, disturb. This is the past tense for disturb, okay? And E-D we are keeping, okay? Disturb, D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D, disturb, D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D. Please learn all the new words from the lesson number 2 as well as lesson number 1 also. I have already done with the lesson number 1 new words, living and non-living things. This is the lesson number 2, how you have to write. I have already told you. Okay, children. Now, just go through this. You can pause the video and you can write in your books. Okay, children. Now, and if you are finding any doubt also, you can check it here from the video. Okay, and you can check it from your textbook also. Okay, I hope you have learned the new words from the lesson number 2. Okay, children, take care and bye bye.